It is strange that sword and words have the same letters. Even more strange is that they have the same effect, if not handled properly. Anyone can find the dirt in someone. Be the one that finds the gold. Live your life in such a way that those who know you, but don't know God, will come to know God, because they know you. We must find positivity in the bleakest situations, and live by the principle of gratitude. Be grateful to those who helped you in difficult times. Be watchful to those who left you in difficult times. And be extremely mindful of those who put you in difficult times. If someone chooses what they love to do, there is no stress in their life. As they say, if you do what you love, you will never have to work a day in your life. Everyone wants to get ahead of each other. And when they cannot, they get angry. A gentle answer turns away wrath, but a harsh word stirs up anger. One's ability to appreciate beauty is related to one's ability to make moral judgments. Experience is not what happens to a man. It is what a man does with what happens to him. When things are beyond your control, and there is nothing you can do, why worry? Values aren't taught by what we say. They are taught by our example. To focus on what we can do is the most powerful catalyst for growth. Work for a cause, not for applause. Live your life to express, not to impress. If you truly want to know how rich you are, drop a tear and see how many hands come to wipe that tear. It's easy to make a buck, but hard to make a difference. A good leader is one who is a good follower of another good leader. To move on and accept change is the sign of wisdom and maturity. Happiness seems like a butterfly. Oh, so close, but eluding us when we try to grab it. Don't let a breakup in any relationship lead to a breakdown in life. Seek emotional support from closed ones, functional support from wise ones, and spiritual support from the one who loves us unconditionally. God.
Thank you for watching this video. Which quote did you like the most? Share your opinion in the comments. Don't miss out on a chance to see the next video. Please like and subscribe. Paramount Quotes.